Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so it says for every 4 shots Aaron took in his basketball game, he made 3 of them. So taking the shot means like you just throw it. I don't know what's happening after that. So he took 4 shots, he made 3. This is our total. So 3 plus what number makes 4? 1. 15 plus 5, oh, that makes 20. Oh, we don't know what goes here. So we are looking for multiplicative relationships that we can use to help us figure out what should be in these 2 boxes. So I'm going back up to this top one because I like to start with the small numbers. Those are the easier times tables for me. And I'm going to look for something on this level that I can find a relationship between. I only have the 24, so I'm going to see if I can find a relationship between 4 and 24. I know that 4 times 6 equals 24, so that means everything in this top row times 6 will equal everything in this bottom row. So 3 times 6 is 18, 1 times 6 is 6. Now I move on to another set of rows. I usually like to stick with my top row or my smallest row, 3, 1, 4. Those are times tables I'm pretty familiar with. That being said, if you saw a relationship like this one here, of 5 times something equals 10. Oh, I know that 5 times 2 equals 10. That's fine. You can say 20 times 2 equals 40, and 15 times 2 equals 30. You can even double check your work by saying, does 30 plus 10 equal 40? Yes, it does. But maybe you're here going 4 times what number equals 36? Oh, times 9. So then you'll fill in these other 2 boxes based on your 3 times 9 and your 1 times 9. And then we have a box that's right here. So now you're looking, do I see a relationship between 30 and 36, or 18 and 36, or 15 and 36, or 3 and 36? Again, while I know there is another relationship, for me, the 3 is the easiest relationship to spot. So I would say, yeah, I know that 3 times 12 equals 36. So then 1 times 12, because 1 and 3 are on the same level, equals 12. And 4 times 12 equals 48. So you're looking for all of those relationships, and it's going to be different for every box you're trying to fill. The important thing is you need to stick on the same level. You can't take the 4 and then this 5 because they're not on the same level. Write 5 ratios that are not included. Don't make this harder for yourself than it has to be. I'm going to say, okay, if this is a 1, I don't see a 2 here. So let's say made, missed, taken. If we missed 2, if we missed 3, if we missed 4, I see a 5 and a 6, so I'm going to skip over those. If we missed 11, I need one more. If we missed 13. And now let's actually look for other relationships here, because I'm seeing a 1 to 3 relationship, and a 5 to 15 relationship that's the same relationship, and a 6 to 18 relationship. These are all times 3 relationships. So I can say, going this way, times 3, times 3. That's going to give me 6, and 9. So I can fill in my other numbers based on this relationship. Do you see a relationship going this way? I think I do. It's a times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So you can fill in all your other numbers based on that. Oh, I didn't read the whole problem. Oops. That can be used to represent Aaron's shots made to shots missed. So for this problem, you're just doing this. And then you're going to come down here and go made to taken. So maybe it wouldn't hurt to fill out this whole chart. And then you'd compare made to taken. You'd say, okay, I have a 6 to 8 ratio and a 9 to 12 ratio, and so on and so on. Write 4 multiplicative comparisons to represent the situation. I'm going to say that, what's this kid's name? I forget. Aaron. Aaron made 15 fifths, because I pulled that from the same one, as many shots as he, what's this 5? Missed. Excuse me. You can use that same format and come up with some other sentences. You can use that same format and swap out the words made and missed for missed and taken or made and taken, whatever you want to compare them to. If Aaron took 44 shots, took, missed, made. I'm going to start with, again, the simplest one that we already have filled out. This is not new information. It's just what I gave you at the beginning. Now I'm going to fill in that 44. 44 that he took. I'm seeing a times 11 relationship here, so see if you can figure out what these two are. And then on the back, read the directions. Pick 5 of the 10 problems to complete. You do not need to do all 10. You do need to change them first into improper fractions. 9 times 5 is 45. No, that's not true. Yes, that's true. Plus 2 is 47 fifths divided by 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And then you're going to keep, change, flip, and tell me an answer. All right, that's it.